Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. And thank you guys for joining me talking all things Masters of the Universe. Today on the channel, we'll be looking at the next single-carded figure of Wave 11 of Origins, and that of Rattler, the evil creature with the quick strike head. And here he is in the packaging. Of course, you have the Snake Man sticker on front of the bubble. And of course, with the Rise of the Snake Man, you see that new bubble that's come out with the snake skin scales around it. The figure itself. Of course, the vintage red rocks blasting around him. With the Master Universe logo coming through his rocks. And the snake, the cobra head, and the cobras coming from the sides of the Master Universe logo. Around to the back, we see some amazing artwork of him, of Rattler, taking on Snake Armored He-Man with Snake Mountain in the background right there. Of course, his action call out, the way you can extend his neck. And of course, he does make a rattle sound when you shake him, like the vintage one. Of course, the other figures in Wave 11, I've done reviews on Snake Armored He-Man and Boltman on my channel. If you wish to go back and check them out, please do. Alright. Flip around back, around. With a new wave comes, of course, a new comic, and here's the comic book that comes with it, right here. With some absolutely amazing, gorgeous artwork, beautiful illustrations. There you go. Alright, there you go. Of course, the other figures in Wave 11. Alright, let's take a look at the figure itself, and here he is. Straight out of, it looks like straight out of the 80s version, right here, of him. Of course, oops, you can pop the head off, and just like the vintage, you can add the neck attachment to him. And they did something similar like this to Mecha Neck, which was kind of a bummer, but there you go. If you wish not to display the neck feature of Rattler, you can take it off and then put him as his normal form. Of course, with his vintage classic snake staff that he holds. There you go. Also, his tail you can detach. It's detachable as well if you wish to not have the tail. But you hear the rattle sound of that classic version of him. Alright. But there you go. There he is. Without his neck extension. And this is what he looked like back in the day, in the 80s. Right here. Came out in 1986. And it's pretty much like the most exact same figure. There was a variant one with a red neck. If you can find that one. And here's the packaging. As you can see, like similar packaging from the Origins, with the snake cobra coming, right there, with the two cobras coming from the sides right there. And there he is taking on Thunder Punch He-Man instead of Snake Armored He-Man. The same looking staff. It's what it looks like side to side, front to back. And I really like the fact that Origins has captured the look of this particular figure. Alright. Of course, to extend the neck, if you wish, pop the head off. Take this part right here to Snap on right there. And you snap the head back on, and there you go. You have that vintage look again of Rattler. A very cool character to own and have. See, let's remove the. There's the staff again, real quick, guys. All right. You can pop the arms off to change them out if you wish to a different, to a different arm to create your own version of, Rattler. You can remove the body if you wish to. You can create your own Snake Man. You can do parts of Cobra Khan or Snake Face or or King Hiss if you wish. Snaps right back on. But really cool. I absolutely really like this character. I think Mattel did justice here with this particular figure. They actually kept the function and the look of him. A Rattler. Rattlor, yeah, Rattler. There we go. Front to back. Like I said, his tail is removable. If you wish to remove it, you can. It's part of him on the side right there. It does snap on. But I would not recommend taking it apart and putting it back on, because sooner or later the tail is a nice rubber substance. But I feel like if you keep removing it and putting it back on, it probably will rip. So be very careful, guys, about that. But it's a nice pliable, stretchy for now, tail. Okay. But there you go, guys. Oops. Back around here. There we go. It says here in the packaging, makes fearsome rattle before attacking. Like a rattlesnake. Alright, guys. So there's a look at Rattler from the Rise of the Snake Men line. One of King Hiss's generals, I believe. Alright, guys, I'd like to take the time out now to thank my subscribers. If you made it this far in the channel and haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. I love talking with you guys, all things Master Universe, through Origins, through Masterverse, and I just did that review on Vicron, and I'm sorry that I didn't show off his third form. This form here. I'm sorry I didn't show off this form here, but I did show off this form right here, and his space outfit. But unfortunately, I did not show off this form here. There's just too many parts to put together. But I'm sure it's a pretty cool figure. It's got a big, massive, frog face or or turtle face with blasters. And the blasters on the figure do move around. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's got that almost that vintage Man-at-Arms look. So hopefully you have taken a look at this review on my channel. Alright, get this guy out of the way real fast. Hit that like button, guys. And share these videos too, guys, to whoever has a passion and a love for collecting Master Universe figures, like Origins, like Masterverse, like CGI. And hit that notification bell too, guys, so you know when I upload new videos. And tomorrow we'll be looking at the final figure of Wave 11, single carded, of Cobra Khan. We'll take a look at him, his loose version, and we'll be looking at the Camo Khan Mattel exclusive. We'll compare both of them, see the differences between the both. So guys, I hope you have a great Saturday and a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Take care, guys.